Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can restyle interior image with Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. And to get started, by click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find AI interior styler. Transform interiors instantly, restyle and furnish interior, virtually stage empty rooms, or turn sketches into realistic images with the help of AI. Let's get started by click use in new design. So here you can choose an interior exterior photo of sketch of house, building, or garden. And for maximum up to 1024 pixel to avoid cropping, and maximum file size 3 MB. So here you can click to continue. Unfortunately, I don't have credits, 0 credits remaining, so you have to purchase or log in or sign up to this link. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.